Sun Surveyor is a specialized Android application designed for photographers, filmmakers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want to understand the movement of the sun and its effects on natural lighting throughout the day. Offering a unique combination of tools and features, the app allows users to visualize solar paths, sun positions, and shadows in real time. With its intuitive interface, Sun Surveyor utilizes augmented reality to overlay sun paths onto the user's environment, making it easy to plan shots based on optimal lighting conditions. The app provides detailed information on sunrise and sunset times, solar noon, and golden hour, helping users capture the best moments for photography or videography. Additionally, Sun Surveyor may include features like a compass, maps, and weather forecasts, enriching the user experience for outdoor activities or event planning. Overall, Sun Surveyor is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to enhance their understanding of sunlight and improve their outdoor creative projects.